Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. So the following video is based on how to recover your online banking account or PNC. So I'll be showing you step-by-step method on how to recover your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, right on top there's a search box, so then type in the link, that is www.pnc.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, next page you will be directed into official site. So on this following page, in the top right corner, tap on sign on. As you tap on sign on, there is a drop down menu, and in the left hand side corner you can see that without entering your following information, that includes a user ID and your password, you'll not be able to log in into your account. In case you are confused regarding your login information, so then tap on forgot ID or password in the bottom right corner. As you tap on it, next you will be directed into support center. So you can see that there are guidelines as well, so make sure to go through it. So then on the first interface there is forgot your password. So then in order to recover your account, tap on start reset password, that is right at the bottom. So as you tap on it, once again you will land inside help center. Over here you can see right in center there is a pop-up, and then you'll have to provide the following information in order to recover your account. So first of all, you'll have to enter your online banking user ID, and once you're done entering your user ID, next move on with social security number. And in case if you don't have social security number, you can even add tax identification number. So once you're done, next you'll have to verify your identity. So for that you'll have to enter your account number. So make sure to enter the correct account number that is associated with your PNC Bank account. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again. Only then tap on next in the bottom left corner. So then as soon as you tap on next, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to reset or recreate your new login information. So once you're done recreating your new login information, next what you have to do is you'll have to go back to your login page and then log in with the newly created login information. So that is how you can recover your online banking account of PNC. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.